birthday like everybody, and I also want to say it was it's great to know you. Good to have you in my life. I love you, and I'm sure you're the best.
Everybody must know that Joan is an advocate, right? Joan is an avid golfer. So you must be wondering how she's at golf course. She's also a bitch at the golf course.
AJ?
Do they make golf clubs?
Well, I retired a few years ago, and I think it was Thanksgiving, and I received this text, and it said, "Happy Thanksgiving" with all this bling, 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 and it just had a phone number. So then it comes in again for another holiday, and I think Christmas, and I'm like, I'm not sure you sent this to the right number. I don't know you. And I get this text back and it says, "You know me, Maria Jones, your buddy." And I'm like, oh my goodness. But every holiday she sends a greeting. And I'm like, that is just so special. I mean, I worked with her. She was, surgical services. I worked in anesthesia. I'm sort of separate yet a part of it. And she remembered to send that to me, and it means so much to me. And she brings so much into our lives. I'm sure I'm not the only one. Thank you.
Thank you so much for inviting us. You're the best. Happy birthday. Thank you. See, I'm really nice. I'm not a bitch after all. We're all dreaming. My name is Maria. I used to work with this wonderful lady. Back in, I started at this in 2012. We were both directors. I was the director of OB. And when I first started, the first thing that my CNO said, you have to meet all the other directors and managers. Well, I met all of them, but I didn't get the opportunity to meet her yet. And so it's already been like a month, and then finally I called her. I said, I need to meet you. They told me that I have to meet you. And you know what she said to me? She said, bitch, you better get down to my office right now. That's how she talked to me then. But one thing I do regret is that I was never behind you when you were paying in line to the cafeteria. So for those of you guys who know, if you're behind her in the cafeteria, she pays for your food. And I never had that opportunity. You never tell me when I was in the cafeteria.
Well, my staff knows and the hospital knows that if I go to the cafeteria, if I ever go down, whoever's on my right or my left, I pay for their food.
What time do you leave?
So they don't know when I'm coming, so the housekeepers usually go on break at 9 o'clock. Sometimes I want to make sure I'm down there. But sometimes I can't get down, or a whole day I can't eat, so I'm not there. But one time there was a spy at the cafeteria, and they do text when I'm there. And then all of a sudden there's little people like, oh shit. Anyway. But sometimes we have hookups in the cashier, like I bill it to a lean doctor and I'll sign for it. Everybody eats. Anyway, that's how we do it. So thank you for coming though. I'm not really a bitch, but you should have seen my cake at work. It had a B in there. I thought it was boss, but then they said no, it's bitch. But the cake people cannot write that on the cake, unfortunately. So they just have to put a B on it, and that's it. There you go. Thank you so much for coming. Don't go